For this question, we have a Venn diagram which we've got to complete for part A. Now, this symbol here is the universal set. So we're told that the universal set of numbers, which is all the numbers that will be in our diagram, are the integers from 11 to 20 inclusive. So our integers are our whole numbers from 11 to 20 inclusive. So we could write that out, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, and when we're placing the numbers on the diagram, we could cross them off and just make sure that we've got all of the integers from 11 to 20 inclusive. That means we include the 11 and 20 in our diagram. So the set A includes all the prime numbers in that list. Now, prime numbers have only two factors, one in themselves. So the prime numbers from that list would be 11, 13, 17, and 19. I think it's useful to list those numbers out to make sure we include all of them in our diagram. We're told the set B includes the numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. So clearly there will be some overlap. Now, to complete the Venn diagram, I need to make sure that I've got all of the set of A inside the A circle, all of the set of B inside the B circle. Any that are in both lists would go in the middle, and any other numbers in our list at the top, the universal set, if they're not included in either A or B, they would go around the outside of the diagram. So first of all, if I take the number 11 is a prime number. It's not included in set B, and so number 11 would be placed in the A circle. The number 12 is not in A and it's not in B, so number 12 would be outside of the two circles. Number 13 has already been placed in the middle, and that's in both A and B. Number 14 is in B, but not in A, so that would go in the B circle. 15 is also in B, as is 16. And 17 is in both. So I've got 17 in set B, and it's a prime number, so 17 would go in the intersection between A and B. 18 is in neither A or B, so that would go outside. 19 is a prime number, so that goes in circle A. And finally, the number 20 is in neither A or B, and so that again would go on the outside of the circle. Now, the second part of the question, part B, says a number is chosen at random from the universal set. And we've got to work out the probability that the number is in set A union B. So that U-shaped symbol in sets means union, which means everything in A and everything in B all together. So in order to work this out, first of all, I need to know the total numbers in the universal set. So if I count all the numbers between 11 and 20, there are 10 of those numbers. So I'm going to write my probability as a fraction, and the denominator of that fraction would be 10 because there are 10 numbers in the universal set altogether. The numerator will be the number of numbers that are in the set A union B. So that's everything inside these two circles. So A union B, I'll just highlight all the numbers that would include in that. It would be everything in A and in B. And when I count those numbers, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers out of 10 altogether. And that would represent the probability, if I chose a number at random, that it would be in the set A union B.